these are the reasons we're checking out the BavSound speakers today. Apparently they're louder, clearer, and more crispy, and they're a direct plug-and-play replacement, so it should be a pretty easy install. Even Sam over here
I could do it.
could do it with his eyes closed.
I don't know about with eyes.
Yeah, probably not the eyes. Yeah, let's look at some speakers for his band project. Yeah.
Let me go. Yes, sir.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Ooh.
The road is waiting, but what's your soundtrack?
Nice little license plate thingy.
Oh, it's actually sick. Laser etched in on the license plate frame. It's kind of sweet. We have hella speakers.
Yeah, hella speakers and
I like that it's all individually packaged.
Nice.
Right off the bat, way more stuff than I was expecting to receive. I thought we were just gonna get some speakers, but we have some industrial strength adhesive. I'm not really sure what that's for. We have some mid-range speaker foam gaskets.
I'm sure there's a description of what to do with these parts.
We got a center channel spacer ring for our center speaker, a pair of tweeters. We have another single tweeter. Holy, these are kind of heavy.
These are some ways.
It's usually a good sign if your speakers are heavy. More tweeters. More tweeters.
3 sets of tweeters.
We have 3 pairs plus that one, so we have 7 tweeters, 6 mid-range, or no, 7 mid-range.
Oh, also came with some decals.
Oh, sweet.
Hell yeah.
We're all about the decals here. Look at those suckers.
Sturdy.
Alright, here we actually have a full list of everything we got.
Oh, I assume this is a toolkit.
Oh, what?
Yes. The BavSound Universal Toolkit.
I'll grab the camera for this. Ooh, nice little tool satchel. It's kind of sick.
Very nice. Wow.
Woo, baby.
Got it all, huh?
This is a sick little toolkit.
Nice.
BavSound knows what's up. They got the 10mm wrench in there. It's the most important wrench for a BMW mechanic. Yo, this is sick. This is a little, little drill bit ratchet to get into tight little spots. That's really cool. Little pick tool, bunch of drill bits, different sizes. We got a 1/2 inch or 3/8 extension, a 3/8 ratchet. Got a little bit screwdriver, rivet tool, and plastic pry tool. Very cool. Full toolkit, everything you need. Torx bits. What do we got here? Probably some socket bits. Some socket bits. A burrito.
I really don't know. I guess it actually is that easy.
So we got a sweet little toolkit here. Now to tear into all these boxes. Alright.
Let's get into it, huh?
Let's get into the boxes. So, starting with our mid-range driver pair, 3 of these boxes. Check one out right now. Oh, damn. Those are some speakers right there. Alright, grab that Larry and check her out. Damn. They have their logo on everything. It's kind of sick. There's this little rubber gasket on the back of the speaker, and their logo's like embossed. Well, not embossed, but I don't know, printed on there. Got some hefty weight to them. They have a foam gasket around the edge here. Won't have to worry about any rattling or anything like that. Probably not supposed to press on this, but like feels quality. Factory connectors on the end. Plug right in. I'm pretty sure this one is the same thing, but we'll open it up here real quick just to check. All right, mid-range driver, probably the same. Oh, it's actually different. It looks like it's probably the same speaker, but slightly different housing and ring here. Probably goes in the center of the car, up in the dash. So that takes care of our mid-range drivers. Sam's breaking open our tweeters right now. Do have to say, really nice packaging experience here. Taking a look at the tweeters. Whoa, those are tiny. It's like really heavy, really nicely machined metal, soldered and glued connections on the back here. Really sweet little tweeter. These are probably the same. Yeah, that one might be different though. It's probably all the same speaker, but like the middle speaker, these ones have different mounting plate or mounting ring, if you will. So that's our tweeter. Pretty cool. I'm very impressed with this entire kit. Toolkit and subwoofers aside, this stage 1 kit is very extensive. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even know I had this many speakers in my car, but it's cool that they scoped out every single speaker down to every little tweeter here. And you can see we have 2 different tweeter mounting styles. We have this style with the black kind of oval egg-shaped disc with 2 screw holes, and 4 of these teensy little tweeters, very hefty weight even in those little guys. And then we have 2 different style mid-range mounts, but it appears to be the same exact speaker from the looks of it. We have the smaller type versus the larger one here. They have the same part number, except this one ends in an F and this one ends in an O. I'm not really sure if there's any major difference between the speaker. They're both mid-range speakers, but we've got 3 of these guys here. I presume we have an odd number because I think the F30 does have a speaker up in the center of the dash behind the infotainment screen. We have 4 of these larger mid-range speakers, 1 for each door on the car. And on all of these speakers, very high quality wiring. They definitely didn't skimp out on any detail. It's twisted, very nicely soldered to the speaker. And what's the point of buying good speakers if you're not gonna have good wiring? I'm very impressed with their soldering, very clean OEM style connectors, so it'll plug right in. And I've yet to find out what these gaskets do, but I'm very, very happy that they included gaskets, a ring, and this glue. I'm not sure what the glue is for, we'll find out. We also have the BavSound Ghost Subwoofer Kit. These are going to go under the driver's seat and passenger seat. Should beef up the bass quite a bit. Excited to see these guys. Oh baby. Here's one for you. And one for me. Like, I just want to take a second. Look at this packaging. Like, they really made sure this stuff wasn't getting damaged. Super thick, multiple layers of cardboard. Wow. They're metal. They're full metal. These things are crazy. Woo, baby. Look at that thing. That is a subwoofer right there. These actually, I was gonna say the stage 1 speakers look pretty similar to the Harmon Kardons that are in the F30 right now, but these are completely new design. Super sick. I like that it's full metal on both sides. Feels really sturdy. They have their logo on there, of course, in the middle. Same factory connector from the looks of it here. All in all, I couldn't be happier with what we just pulled out of the box here. Here's one more look at the BavSound Ghost subwoofers, which I can't wait to throw in the F30, and I'm sad they're going under the seat because they look so good. Here's one more look at the BavSound toolkit as well. I was very impressed with how extensive it is, and I'm actually really stoked that I got it because it comes with that little driver bit ratchet. So if you have those little stubby drill bits or Torx bits or any sort of, I think that's a 1/4-inch drive, you can pop it in there. You can get into very tight spaces with that you would not be able to get into with a screwdriver or ratchet. So very cool. I don't want to drag on with the unboxing video too much longer. I think I might jump into the sound comparison later this afternoon, maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing a comparison of the stock Harmon Kardon speakers in my BMW F30 and comparing it to these new BavSound speakers to see what the difference is. I'll be sure to record some sound clips of the sound quality and also measuring the volume with a decibel meter. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Sam, for helping me film this video. And I'll see y'all next time on JD Cars.